Hey everyone, I'm going to read about the monarch butterflies on National Geographic Kids. You guys can log on to the website and follow along if you'd like. Monarch butterfly. Monarchs are large, beautifully colored butterflies that are easy to recognize by their striking orange, black, and white markings. The wingspan of a full-grown monarch can reach nearly 5 inches, although the average is closer to 4 inches. Monarch butterflies live in North, Central, and South America, as well as Australia, some Pacific islands, India, and West Europe. Their markings include bright orange wings covered with black veins and rimmed with a black border and white dots. Females have thicker veins in their wings. A monarch's brilliant coloring texts predators, "Don't eat me, I'm poisonous." The butterfly get their toxins from a plant called milkweed, which is their only food source in the caterpillar stage. The animal that eats a monarch butterfly usually doesn't die, but it feels sick enough to avoid monarchs in the future. The most amazing thing about monarch butterflies is the enormous migration that North American monarchs undertake each year. Every fall, as the weather approaches and gets cold, millions of these delicate insects leave their home range in Canada and the United States and begin flying south. They continue until they reach southern California or central Mexico, more than 2,000 miles away. These international travelers return to the same forest each year, and some even find the same tree that their ancestors landed on. Some estimates say that up to 1 billion butterflies arrive in the mountains of Mexico each year. Scientists aren't sure how migrating monarchs know which way to go, since they only live a few months and none makes a journey more than once. Towards the end of the winter, the monarchs in Mexico and California mate. The males then die, then the females head north, disposing eggs on the milkweed plants along the way and eventually dying themselves. From these tiny round eggs come small green and white striped caterpillars, which feed on the milkweed leaves. For about 2 weeks, they eat constantly and grow by shedding their skin. They are ready to transform into pupae. To become a pupa, also called a chrysalis, a monarch larva attaches itself with silk to a leaf or branch, sheds its skin, and forms a hard shell. This vase-shaped case starts out green and shiny golden dots and slowly becomes white, then see-through. After 9 to 15 days, a fully formed butterfly emerges. The entire egg-to-butterfly process, called metamorphosis, takes about a month. Once out of the pupa, the damp butterfly inflates its wings with blood stored in its abdomen. It must wait for its wings to dry before it flies away. Adult butterflies don't grow. They survive by drinking nectar from flowers, including milkweed, clover, and goldenrod. Scientists think North American monarchs have been making their amazing annual journey for thousands of years, but logging in Mexico has greatly reduced forest where these butterflies roost. Efforts to protect these lands are helping, but illegal logging still takes a toll. Since 1983, the International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed the monarch migration as a threatened phenomena.